The 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air is a revival of a legendary American automotive icon, combining classic 1950s-inspired design with advanced technology and modern performance. This new generation is here to deliver retro-style nostalgia with a fresh, innovative, and future-oriented approach. The 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air is equipped with a variety of advanced safety features that make it one of the safest cars in its class. This car is equipped with semi-autonomous driving technology that allows the car to control speed, maintain a safe distance from the vehicle in front, and assist the driver when driving on the freeway. The exterior design of the 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air is a blend of classic elements with cutting-edge design technology. Visually, this car is reminiscent of the classic Bel Air models from the 1950s, known for their wide and prominent body shape, large chrome grille, and clean, elegant design lines. The sharp body lines from front to back keep the appearance of this car iconic, while the chrome elements embedded in several parts, such as the front grille, door trim, and window frames, provide a touch of classic Bel Air glamour. At the front, the 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air features retro-designed LED headlights with a round shape reminiscent of classic models, but with brighter and more energy-efficient modern lighting technology. At the rear, the brake lights are also round with LED technology, which gives a feel of the past with modern efficiency. The shiny bumper details and dual exhaust pipes add to the impression of high performance on this car. Entering the cabin of the 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air, we will find the perfect blend of luxury, comfort, and advanced technology. The interior is designed to provide a classic atmosphere with modern comfort. The car dashboard is made of high-quality materials such as leather, wood, and polished metal, giving a premium feel. The car seats are wrapped in high-quality leather with stitching patterns inspired by classic models. The 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air not only looks stunning in design, but also offers capable performance. The car is equipped with a 6.2-liter V8 engine that can produce around 450 to 500 horsepower, providing quick and responsive acceleration. This great power is channeled through a 10-speed automatic transmission that allows for smooth and efficient gear changes. The 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air is the perfect blend of timeless classic design and advanced modern technology. This car offers nostalgia for fans of classic American cars, but also provides all the comfort, safety, and performance features expected from a modern car.